Okay, you guys, I quickly want to show you the inside of the U-Haul. If you fix it up, all I did was put a couple of tables in here and tablecloths that I purchased from the thrift store for $2 a piece. Okay, if you can see. And yes, they do look kind of crowded. I'm thinking about removing some of them and well, I already have some placed up underneath. You can see the boxing. My tablecloths ain't long enough. Valentine's Day, they were long enough. These are pretty short, which I hate, but we're gonna rock with it. So it'll cover up the boxes I have underneath with the rest of my baskets in it. All right. So and then I got a little shelving, a little plastic shelving unit, and I just stuck that in here and placed some of the gifts on it. It's really windy. It's cold out here. It was snowing, and did not say that on the forecast, but we're gonna rock with it. We're gonna rock this out for today. We're gonna rock this out for today. So I just wanted to show you the inside of it. Super simple. Just a couple of tables in here, tablecloths, and my stuff on there, and boom, there you have it. We're gonna rock with it like this. It's windy, y'all. So, yep, we're gonna rock with it. Y'all have a blessed one.